guys, so today we're going to be trying out Glamrdip, which I'm so excited about. So I bought this kit the other day. I'm just going to find out prices quickly. Okay, so this kit cost me $134, and there's like different variations. So this is like the starter kit or something it's called. I can't remember what it's called. It's called the Dip Perfect kit. So yeah, there's one you can get either 2 shades, 4 shades, or I think 6 or 8. I can't remember, but I went for 4. And yeah, so this got me on Instagram because I saw like the little thing, and it just really intrigued me. So basically you're meant to like paint a base coat on your nail and then dip it in the powder, and like I just was like, wow, that sounds really easy and cool. So yeah, I went ahead and bought one, and this is what it looks like inside. So I'm going to go through everything, then I'm going to cut to me doing my nails, and then we'll talk about final thoughts. So the first thing that we get in here is called a bond. So this says it's to prime and cleanse. Mind you, the little bottles are so cute. So yeah, we have a bond. Then we have a base. This one here, and this is what you put on before you dip your little finger in the powder. So it also does come with a booklet, which I have misplaced mine, but there is a booklet it comes with that tells you like how to actually like, you know, do your nails and stuff like that. Then we have a seal. So after you put your little like dip powder in there, then you seal it with this, let that sit for a couple of minutes, and then you put your glow on top, and this makes them nice and like glowy, and yeah, makes them look real good. And then the final one that we have is heal, and this is like your cuticle oil, and this goes in your cuticles. So those are the 6 little liquids that we have up the top, these along here. Then we have our shades here. So I'll show you the shades that I chose. Oops. So the first one that I chose is called Bliss, and it's this absolutely stunning like blue glittery shade. Like I just think that is so pretty, like I'm obsessed. Then I chose one called Golden Child. This one's like a little bit less chunkier. Like that blue shade has a lot of chunky glitter. This one has like, the glitter's a little bit more fine, but it's this beautiful like glittery shade. I feel like that's not focusing, of course it's not. Okay, so got that one. Then I also went for this like beautiful purpley pinky shade. This one is called Trophy. You can see it's like real pretty, kind of like a bit of like a berry shade. And then the last one that I went for is like this purple, like kind of like purple grey kind of shade, and this one is called Sincere, and it looks like that. So those are all the shades I chose. Then you also get this little brush, and that's for like after you dip your fingers to like, you know, get rid of any excess powder. Then we've also got like a little nail tool. It has like a cuticle pusher on one end, and this little thing, which I don't know what it's actually called, but I use it to kind of like, you know, dig around my nails and do all the shaping, whatever I need to do. And then we also have 2 nail files. So we have one that's 240 grit and one that's 180 grit. So that is everything that comes in our kit, and I feel like for $134, like I feel like that's quite good value. Like I feel like there's a lot in there. So anyway, I'm going to cut now to us doing our nails, and then I'll be back and I'll give you my final thoughts. Okay guys, so I have got all the boring stuff out of the way. I have like half shaped my nails. They're a little bit hard to shape at the moment because they're so like short. But I have like, it said to like buff on the nail, like oil over the nail. I've also removed my cuticles as best as I can. So I'm just going to do one nail on camera, I think. One of each shade, because these are the 2 shades that I'm going to use today, because I feel like this, I've never done this before, it's going to be a learning curve, so I just want to show you kind of how it works. So it says that this step is optional. This is our bond step. So I'm just going to do it like one at a time. But it says that this is to dehydrate the nail and get rid of any excess oils, and I'm guessing that's like obviously so that, you know, you don't want like any like oils coating your nail and then like making it not be able to stick. So First shade I'm going to take today is called Sincere, and it's this like beautiful purpley shade. Let's give it a go. Look at it. Okay, I did 2 nails the other day at work, like just mucking around, like real rough. So I kind of have a bit of an idea, but I'm still not 100% sure. So it says that they want me to kind of like dip it in like a couple of times, but like, or like, you know, dip one side of the nail and then dip the other nail, but I'm not. I'm just going to put the whole thing in there. And it also says like about a clear dip, which we don't have. So yeah, what I'm going to do is apply the base, and then I'm going to put, what am I trying to say? I'm going to apply the base, and then we're going to dip our nail in the colour. So this is our base here. I'm nervous. Okay, there it is. Our first nail. So it's so weird, isn't it? It's like so simple. Then it says we want to brush off any excess from like the cuticle, and I think it wants us to add 2 coats. So we're just gonna do it again. And I did accidentally miss a little bit, but which is probably why they tell you to do it like on different angles so that you don't miss any of the nail. Yeah. Okay, so this is how it's looking at the moment. Very cute. So then after we do that, it wants us to seal it. So we're going to seal it first now. Just put that over, and this is kind of what turns it a little bit hard, I think. And then, because I will obviously get off this like built up stuff when I file it down. So we need to leave the seal for 2 minutes. Then we need to buff the nail, and that's to kind of shape it. And then we're going to put like the glow on top. So what I'm going to do now is quickly, I'm going to give this 2 minutes to dry, then I'm going to buff my nail and stuff, and then we're going to come back and do the seal step, the glow step, and then I'll show you. Okay, so I went ahead and finished them off camera. Sorry, I know I'm terrible. I got carried away, and then I was like, oh my god, whoops, I was meant to be filming this. I've really been getting into nails, so I feel like I've just been, yeah, getting excited. Anyway, so this is how they are looking. I want to like, I'm actually surprised. I really kind of thought it was going to be a gimmick, but I feel like they look really pretty. I feel like they take a lot longer than obviously like your just normal polish, but I feel like they look really nice, and I feel like they feel very sturdy, so I can tell they're going to last a while. So I used Sincere, which is this purpley shade, and we used Golden Child over the top of, that's over the top of Sincere there, so stunning. That I need to go and do this hand now, but yeah, cute. I feel like I need a bit more practice. Like, they obviously don't look as good as, yeah, like I need a little bit more practice, but I feel like they look, you know, not mad. I feel like they're quite cute. So yeah. Okay, so obviously I showed you like my nails and stuff. I just think they look so pretty. Like, I was actually so shocked because part of the reason that I bought this is because I saw it on Instagram and I was like, you know, this looks like a little bit like a gimmick. Like, I feel like it's not going to work. And I just needed to test it out because I was curious. And I'm honestly so impressed. Like, I feel like it just works so well. It is a learning curve. Like, it is hard. Not hard, but like for me, like, you know, the hardest thing was probably like the shaping of the nails and trying to smooth them out and get them buffed down and all that kind of stuff. And I still need a bit more practice with that. But honestly, if I can do it, I am used to be so horrific at doing my nails. I'm still not anywhere near great, but you know, I feel like I'm getting better. But if I can do it, then I can guarantee that you can. And honestly, it was so much fun. I feel like it was like a little bit more involved than, you know, just standard nail polish. But I like that about it. I like that it kind of gives you that opportunity to kind of, what's the word, like kind of customize your manicure a bit more. Also, they set hard, which I didn't expect. So it sets like hard, and they're like chip proof and all that kind of stuff. Like, these nails are heavy duty. So I am actually thoroughly impressed. Like, I am really, really, really happy with this. After I did my manicure, I actually messaged them, messaged Glamrdip, and I was like, hey, look, I really like, actually, sorry, I posted my manicure on my story and they saw it and messaged me, and then I messaged them and I was like, you know, if you ever want to work together, let me know. And they gave me an affiliate link, so that means that I'm pretty sure I make a bit of money off that if you use that link, but I think you guys also get money off your order, I think. So I'll leave my affiliate link down below if you guys want to try these out. Yeah, that was before, just to be like completely transparent, that was before I I messaged them after I'd already bought this with my own money and tried it out for myself, kind of thing. And I messaged them for the simple fact that I did really like their product and wanted to work with them. So yeah, I'm thoroughly impressed. If you guys have tried this out, let me know what you think down below. I really like the colours as well. And I'm really looking forward to getting some more colours and just trying them out a bit more and stuff like that. The only thing that I don't like, okay, this is such a silly thing, right? Because I'm in like this new hyperfixation moment where I'm obsessed with doing my nails. I've been loving the nail polish because, like, you know, I'll do it for a day and then I'll get bored and I'll rip it off, and it's super easy to rip off. And then I could just, you know, put more nail polish on. But with these with these nails, because they last so long, I can't just rip them off. Like, I have to, like, well, I ended up biting mine off, to be honest, which is probably not good for your nails at all, and it took ages to do. But yeah, they're obviously a little bit harder to remove, which is a good thing because, like, you want them to last longer. But that was like my only thing about them. I was like, oh, now I have to keep this on for like 2 weeks. But apart from that, I love them. I'm really impressed. So yeah, if you've tried them out, let me know what you guys think down below. But yeah, also let me know if you're enjoying the nail content. I know I've been posting a bit more of that lately. It's something that I'm really into at the moment. So yeah, anyway, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.